Alright, hi guys, how are you? Hey, this is a particular annoying one today. This is a piss off. It's really pissing me off. We have these. I had to go and buy some blades today. Now, unfortunately, here in Australia, the Australian made ones are Flexofit, and most of the time they're good, but yeah, they're not great. Okay, because some of the places that were open today that I could get to, all they sold was a Flexofit. Yeah, it did make me feel real good. The third ones, which are the ones with blue center, the German made ones, 1mm blades. This one blade here, okay, cut a 150 C channel in half. A length of 150 we cut down to 4 meters instead of 9, or 4.5 meters. And I cut 8 plates, so these are the plates I'm making right now. I cut 8 of those and the 150C channel with this one blade. Okay, with the Flexofit, these things, yeah, not a good buy, guys. Okay, it cost me $56 to buy those, 25 of them. I think it's $2.50 each for the third ones, so about the same price, and I'm getting 1 cut per blade. So for every one of these 8 that I'm cutting, it's going to take me 1 blade to do it. Where the third ones, I got 8 of those cuts, plus I cut a 150C channel. So yeah, it's a piss off. I knew it was. I was sort of disgusted when I went to 3 different shops this morning to go pick up some blades, but I couldn't get to the ones that I knew had the blades I wanted because they were too far away on a Saturday morning. Half the shops that you can buy it at are shut. They aren't open on Saturday mornings. But the ones that were, I only had near the city. I only had these Flexofit, and yeah, I'm unhappy. I'm not having a good day with these. It's annoying the piss out of me. It's yeah. Not happy, Janet. Frank's up there welding these plates on for the LVLs we've got to go through to hold the roof. As we weld these plates onto those rafters we put up the other day. And yeah, I'm just having a bit of a peeve because I feel Australia could. Well, I know Australian technology is a lot better than that, and these Flexofit, I don't know what the Flexofit guys are doing, but yeah, guys. These blades are absolute shit, guys. I know you can do better, and all you're doing is doing something so it's just annoying. The difference between the 2 different blades, between the German blade and the Australian blade, is chalk and cheese. And like I tried to stay away from Flexofit except for the 9-inch, and I definitely will stay away from Flexofit from now on because this is disgusting. Okay, to have to do a blade every cut. It's crazy, guys. You guys need to pull your figure out, put your act into gear, get some decent equipment. For a simple blade, which is it's nothing, no rocket science or anything. It's just epoxy and carborundum, and you can't match what the guys are doing in Germany. Something wrong, especially with how long you guys have been doing this week. But yeah, that's my P for the day. Yeah, I'm just a bit pissed off with it because every time, every blade, every saw cut, every cut, I've got to change a blade. It's a real piss off, especially when you're used to the third ones. But that's why we buy the third ones, and why almost every factory in Australia uses the third ones, because they're just, yeah, you guys are Flexofit. Flexofit, these little ones, they suck, but you got to do something about it. And it's not an insult or anything. It's just stating a fact. These things are useless. All right, that's my little peeve. Catch you guys again soon. See ya.